Hello everyone, my name is Zara Isnaini. Today in this occasion I will talk to you about function. First, we will talk about the definition of function. Function in mathematics an expression, rule or law that define a relationship between one variable and another variable. A function is a relation where each element in the domain has exactly one pair of elements in the codomain. Of the four pictures beside, pictures number 1, 2, and 3 show that relation function, while pictures number 4 is not a function because the domain of 2 has 3 relations in its codomain. Next, the notation of the function. Function symbolized as f of x that read f of x, where is a function x is in the input variable and y is output variable function. In other words, if we see f of x in an equation, it means that equation is a function. To convert it into function form, we have to replace x with f of x. Then, write the value of the equation. For the example, x equals 2x plus 2 turn into f of x equals 2x plus 2. There is 3 elements of function. First is the domain. Domain is set of all what can input value into function. 2 is codomain. Codomain is set of all possibility come out of a function. 3. Range. Range is the set of all output can value actually produced by the function. From the picture beside, we get first set A, B, C, D, E is the domain. Set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the codomain. 3. Set of elements that get point to in B, 1, 4, 5 is the range. The next one, there is composite function. A composition function is an arrangement of several connected and related functions. In other words, a composition function combines two types of functions such as f of x and g of x, symbolized by O. Composition of function is when the function is inside of another function. The arrow diagram beside shows the mapping from the origin x to the range f of x. Furthermore, the mapping processes from the new home region f of x to the second home region g of x. The composite function is symbolized by first f of g of x that was read f composite with g of x or f of g of x. Second, g of f of x that was read g composite with f of x or g of f of x. But g of f of x is not the same as f of g of x. That's because if you look at the structure of the function, the two things have a different structure, where first, f of g of x, it means the composition of the function f with g. It means the function g is inside of the function f. Meanwhile, g of f of x, it means the composite of function g with f. It means the function f is inside the function of g. That's the reason why we will get different answer for f of g of x and g of f of x. We need to make sure that we pay close attention to why the problem is written when we're trying to find the composition of function. For the example, if f of x equals 2x plus 5 and g of x equals 3x minus 7, find f of g of x and g of f of x. First, f of g of x equals 2 times 3x minus 7 plus 5. equals 6x minus 14 plus 5 equals 6x minus 7. G of f of x equals in the bracket 3 times 2x plus 5 minus 7 equals 6x plus 5t minus 7 equals 6x plus 8. From the above solution proving that the two composition functions have different results. For the value of x is not always a variable, but can also be a value. For example, if f of x equals 3x plus 4 and g of x equals 3x, find f of g of 2. So the first step to do is to find the value of the f of g of x. F of g of x equals 3 times 3x plus 4 equals 9x plus 4. Then we must replace the value of x with 2. F of g of 2 equals 9 times 2 plus 4 equals 22. Next is properties of the function. The injective function ensures that each element in the domain is mapped to a different element in the codomain. Not two distinct elements in the domain have the same image in the codomain. 2. The surjective function ensures that every element in the codomain has at least one element in the domain mapped to itself. No element in the codomain is left without the counterpart in the domain. 3. Bijective function combine both injective and surjective properties. In other words, every element in the domain has a unique counterpart in the codomain, and every element in the codomain has a unique counterpart in the domain. Next is inverse of function. An inverse of function is a mathematical function that is the inverse of the original function. A function usually denoted by f of x can only be said to have an inverse function f power negative 1 if it's a 1-1 function and a bijective function with general form y equals f of x equals f power negative 1 y. There are some formula to find the inverse value. Next, there is an example for a inverse function. Number 1, if f of x equals to x plus 5, find the inverse. 2x equals y minus 6, x equals 1 over 2 y minus 3. Number 2, if f of x equals to x minus 5, find the inverse. Y equals 2x minus 5. 2x equals y plus 5. X equals y plus 5 over 2. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.